Hi everyone, it's Josabel. Welcome to my channel. Today I am really excited to share with you guys the transformations of this boring bathroom. It's so boring after 15 years, yes. And I have so many plans of this bathroom, and one thing that I really want to work with is the mirror. I think you've seen this moisture and the dark spot along the edge of your mirror. I think you know what I'm talking about, right? Please stay and watch. First, I went to Home Depot and picked up the color I wanted. I am not professional, but I think I did a great job. The color of the paint I used was almond whisk, and the rest was painted with semi-gloss eggshells. I pick up a peel and stick method from other bloggers, and it is very useful when upgrading my mirror. It's much more inexpensive, simple, and easy. The material I'm using is vinyl, and while I got it on clearance for about $3 each, it's look very clean and professional, huh? And see that now? My husband did that. Yes, I can't lie to you, and I'm so happy that he helped me. And guess what? He gave this to me from last February. It's our 27th year anniversary. Cute, right? He got this from the website for $29.99. I put my washcloth standing in the corner of the vanity. That way, it gives me more space. At the same time, it's easier for my hubby to grab it. I bought this glass from the thrift store. It was $1.99 each, and while it is not new, it still looks perfect for me, and it fits my vanity perfectly. I found this glass bottle from a recycling bin, and after cleaning it, it makes for a perfect soap dispenser. Here are two metal cups to hold our toothbrushes. They were $1.49 each. These green flowers were 99 cents each from Michael's. And I potted some nice orchids straight from my garden. There's a bit of grime on the corner of this glass tray, but that's okay. It was only $3.99 and it should be easy to clean. Here, I placed some of my beauty products. It's cute, right? Some of my viewers might recognize this tissue holder from my last video. It fits nicely on my vanity. Now, onto the bathtub. You might see that I'm using a lot of orchids in my decorations. They are one of my most favorite plants, and since I have so many, I like to switch them out once a week to keep them fresh. As usual, most of my decorations here are from the thrift store. The glass with tea spa bath salts was $1.49. And as for my bubble bath bottle, it was only 99 cents. There is also a variety of Dove bar soap in the bowl. I have had this frame with me for a long time. I moved it here from my bedroom since it's looked much better with my decorations. Just like the tissue holder, I also made this candy holder in my last DIY. This smaller frame came from Ross for $7.99. On this side, I don't remember where I got this bamboo chest, but I think it is perfect to hold my hand towels and washcloths. I've had this lamp for 20 years and have never used it. I thought this bathroom project would be the perfect opportunity to decorate with it. I didn't change much with the curtains. All I did was remove the valance and used a ribbon to tie them up. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a message below. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye now!